Welcome to Live in and as Light messages. These messages are from Divine Source Universe. I've been guided to share these with you. These are eternal and timeless. Whenever you come across this message, it is meant for you. Take whatever resonates with you and trust your intuition at all the time. This is Akanksshaa. Please like, comment, share, follow, subscribe wherever you're watching this. This is like an energy exchange, and let's keep the energy of knowledge, of light, and love flowing. Our first message today is Love created me like itself. You're the work of God, and His work is wholly lovable and wholly loving. This is how a man must think of himself in his heart, because this is what he is. So you are love. This is the message. Let's see our second message today. God goes with me wherever I go. There is no time, no place, no state where God is absent. There is nothing to be feared. So come from the place of love instead of fear. Let's see our third message today. Trust the niggle. What is the niggling feeling trying to tell you? That niggling feeling, that annoying niggling feeling, that inconvenient annoying niggling feeling. Try as you might, it's there. And it ain't going anywhere. Most people spend years ignoring their niggling feelings, throwing their best dollops of stubbornness, ego, and post-rationalization to numb them out. It's exhausting. And until you face the niggle, life just throws you more bait to awaken it, to draw your attention to the light within you that is bursting to come out. The niggle is an arrow pointing to what is standing in your way. The relationship, the conversation, the decision, the shift that needs to be made, the store in your shoe. Often we feel the niggling feeling in our body first. Many people think that intuition is something from the higher realms, but in fact it is the body that is the intuitive one, working through our senses to deliver vibrational information. It takes just a moment every day to scan your body to receive the intuitive intelligence and act on it quickly. You are being called to face the niggle now. If you don't face it, the universe will throw something much bigger and more obvious in your path. And then you will more likely regret that you didn't answer the niggle in the first place. I know it's scary, but you are safe. Answer the niggle now. And this is an inquiry card. Your inquiry is, what is your niggling feeling trying to tell you? So you will feel something in your body, something bothering you or something restless, something in your body you will feel, some intuition you will get. What is it that is bothering you? What is it trying to tell you? Listen to that and then take action on it. Those are the messages for today. Lots of love.